Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session friends what I want to show you, I just want to show you basically I have configured here the web scraping with the help of Python pandas and BS4 and request. Okay, so the module which we are regularly use for web scraping. Okay, I have used here the website. The website is corona.help, which has basically the corona live updates information. Okay, so I will show you first the website. Okay, so friends, as you can see, this is what the website corona.help, and it has, as you can see, it has the data of live corona cases, the confirmed cases, total deaths, today's information. It has all the information, world states. Okay, so I just did here a web scraping and I grabbed data from their website and I show the data on this Max 7219 LED matrix with the help of our Raspberry Pi 4. As you can see, I have connected this matrix display with our Raspberry Pi 4, and I have created the function. Okay, and the data will automatic update, means it's updated from their website, means when the data will update, when the data was updated on the website. Okay, so in that time the data also updated on our screen. Okay, as you can see, you can cross checks. Okay, just a minute, we will see the number. Okay, so the first is basically the total confirmed cases. Okay, so we are going to check here total confirmed cases. Okay, and now the number 111804033. so you can cross check here 111804033. okay, and also the next one is total deaths. As you can see, total deaths, and the number 2474439. so you can cross check here 2474439. so this is the normal web scraping, friends. Okay, which we always do for web scraping with the help of pandas. Okay, so I just grab the data from the website and it shows on our LED matrix. Okay, so this is the small project. I hope you like it. So just like the video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.